The Air Jordan 4014 Ferrari delivers a bold and eye-catching design inspired by high-performance sports cars and classic Jordan heritage. It features a striking challenge red upper with a matte finish that gives the shoe a smooth yet premium look. Subtle grain details along the sides add depth, while a bright yellow Ferrari-inspired emblem runs from the side panel to the heel, creating strong contrast against the black midsole and outsole. Black laces with detailed stitching enhance the sharp, aggressive aesthetic, and a small Jumpman logo on the toe adds a clean signature touch. Underfoot, yellow accents on the outsole and a bold traction pattern reinforce the performance-driven feel. Metallic silver details on the heel balance the matte red upper with a glossy pop. The black padded collar and breathable inner mesh focus on comfort and support. Overall, this model blends the modern silhouette of the Air Jordan 40 with the iconic Ferrari-inspired attitude of the Air Jordan 14, offering a fresh yet familiar look that stands out in today's sneaker culture.